Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Which one is better for you? The first thing you should understand before making an investment decision about Ethereum or Bitcoin is how each of them was started and how they developed over time. Let's start with Bitcoin first. The first Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of this person has been kept secret by the media, but many believe he was a group of programmers with knowledge of cryptography. This would account for why Bitcoin is anonymous and not traceable back to one person or institution. Bitcoin has been very popular as an investment since its creation in 2009 because people saw its potential for growth and profit. Since then, it's grown exponentially in value as more people become aware of it and invest in it. Ethereum was developed by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 as an extension of Bitcoin's blockchain technology with the aim of adding more features such as smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that's main purpose is to run smart contracts. Smart contracts are applications that run a specific program without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. Ethereum has its own native cryptocurrency called Ether. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. However, there are differences and similarities between these two digital currencies. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum allow users to send payments to each other without having to rely on a third-party financial institution like PayPal or MasterCard. Your account is stored in both blockchains networks, which means there's no central authority that controls your funds or holds them hostage if something goes wrong with the platform. This is what people love about cryptocurrencies like these. They are decentralized, so peer-to-peer transactions are easier. The greatest difference between choosing Ethereum or Bitcoin is how you choose to invest in each. Ethereum's platform offers the potential for many different types of applications to be built on top of it. There are thousands of developers building dApps on Ethereum, and their numbers are growing every day. This brings value to the Ethereum currency and builds trust in the currency. Bitcoin has been around for less than a decade, but it has already become a household name cryptocurrency around the world. It's also one of the most expensive ones, which means that buying Bitcoin requires significant investment capital. So when choosing both options, your mindset as an investor should be whether you want to invest in a system that is growing or do you want to invest in a currency that is only that. The speed of transactions is one of the most important factors in choosing between Ethereum and Bitcoin. While both are not as fast as traditional payment networks for decentralized options, Ethereum currently has the edge in terms of transaction speed. All cryptocurrencies are built based on something called a trilemma. That's a situation where you can only choose 2 out of 3 options, and in cryptocurrency's case, it's between decentralization, scalability, and security. All coins are decentralized, but up until now, you've had to choose between scalability and security. Because the more you scale your coin, you corrode the security of it since there are weak points created in the architecture. For this reason, Bitcoin is a slower coin. It takes about 10 minutes to process a Bitcoin transaction, while Ethereum takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Ethereum is built on decentralization and scalability. The smart contracts I mentioned before are essentially a set of rules that developers can use to build their own cryptocurrencies and apps. Ethereum benefits from this because the more that is built using the infrastructure, the more apps and future growth can be built on it. There's a lot of technical information when it comes to learning about cryptocurrencies. We're on the frontier of new technologies that are revolutionizing and interrupting our markets and economies. In the end, whether you choose Ethereum or Bitcoin is going to depend on a few factors. If you want a cryptocurrency that is easy to buy and sell, Bitcoin is the obvious choice. Bitcoin is widely available on all of the virtual wallets and websites that offer crypto. It has even been integrated in popular apps like Cash App and Venmo. On the other hand, if you want a cryptocurrency that will probably appreciate in value over time due to innovation, then Ethereum is likely to be the better choice. It's clear that both Ethereum and Bitcoin have their pros, but it's less clear which one is a better investment choice. Frankly, there is no straightforward answer to that question. Ultimately, each person has to decide for themselves based on their needs. Do you want your crypto funds to be safer? In that case, pick Bitcoin. Would you prefer a higher yield? Ethereum may be the better choice for you there. Bitcoin clearly has more name recognition, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's a better pick for you. Before you invest in either, it's important to research the pros and cons of both, the challenges they face going forward, and what the general feeling of experts is about the future value of these cryptocurrencies. Make sure you're prepared for an uncertain future because there will likely be many competing coins popping up over the next few years. Remember, the crypto market is still very new. Large investment firms and wealthy investors are seeing this space just like any other speculative investment. There isn't enough information in history to go off of, so do not put money in that you're not willing to lose. We're all eager to just accept these coins as a new part of our economy, but the wise are waiting on the sidelines until someone makes a giant mistake they can learn from. Bitcoin, for example, has increased as high as over $60,000 worth for one coin. At the time of me making this video, it has fallen to $20,000. The crypto market is extremely volatile, but that doesn't mean that it won't settle and start increasing again. So take your time in choosing your coin and make the decision that works best for your investment needs.